Today's news. Will Trump's tariffs push the world into a recession? In this video, we'll decode the impact of Donald Trump's 10% minimum tariff on all US imports, announced on April 2nd. From India to China to global markets, how will this bold move shape economies, trade, and your daily life? Let's find out. The US has long been a champion of free trade, but with Trump's new tariffs, we are seeing a reversal of decades of globalization. The logic? To make American manufacturing great again, protect jobs, and reduce reliance on foreign goods, especially from China and India. When this policy was announced, global markets panicked, stock markets dipped. Investors feared a full-blown trade war. Why? Because tariffs raise prices. That affects businesses and ordinary people. Imagine a product that costs $100. After a 10% tariff, it becomes $110. If there's a retaliatory tax from another country, it could go even higher. Let's look at the numbers. China sends $582 billion worth of goods to the US and now faces an average 19% tariff hike. India, with $54 billion in exports, faces a 28% increase. Mexico is hit even harder, with over 35% increase. These countries may lose their price advantage in the US market. Trump's goal is to revive domestic industries by discouraging cheap imports. But history tells us it's not that simple. Higher tariffs mean higher costs for US businesses too. Eventually, those costs are passed on to consumers. China has responded with its own tariffs. The trade war isn't new. It's been brewing for over a decade. Now it's escalating. Products like soybeans, automobiles, electronics are all caught in the crossfire. Trump calls India a tariff king. India's key exports like pharma, gems, textiles are at risk. If access to US markets reduces, it could hurt Indian jobs and growth. But India has been preparing by diversifying trade, boosting Make in India, and building tech-based manufacturing. Globally, countries like Vietnam and Canada might gain temporarily. But the overall trend? A potential global recession. Why? Less trade, more uncertainty, rising prices, slower investment. It's a lose-lose situation in the long term. So, will Trump's tariffs bring a recession? Possibly, but it depends on how countries respond. One thing's for sure, we are entering a new era of global trade politics. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Only IAS Edu Hub.